This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Wix header transparent. First, open your Wix editor and navigate to the page where your header is located. Click directly on the header to select it, then look for the design icon that appears. This will open a panel with various customization options for your header's appearance. We'll adjust the background settings here. Once the design panel is open, click on Customize Design to access more detailed settings. You'll see options for colors, borders, and shadows. Find the Fill Color and Opacity section. Here, you'll find a slider that controls the transparency. Drag this slider all the way to the left, setting the opacity to 0%, which makes your header completely transparent. For a truly seamless look, ensure your header is set to Pin to Screen in its settings. This keeps it visible as visitors scroll. You can also explore various scroll effects, like fade, in, or reveal, to add a dynamic touch. Always preview your site to see how the transparent header looks and functions across different screen sizes and devices. After making these adjustments, remember to save your work regularly within the Wix editor. Once you're satisfied with the transparent header's appearance and functionality, click the Publish button. This will make your changes live for all your website visitors. Take a moment to review your published site to ensure everything looks exactly as you intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.